Hey, everyone, welcome back to Lahitro Bank. My name is Adam. So, have you ever wondered if AI can actually run financial operations, not just make charts or summaries, but do real work inside finance and ERP systems? Today, we're breaking down FinRobot, a groundbreaking AI agent framework that's designed to automate complex finance tasks like budgeting, reporting, reimbursements, and more using intelligent AI agents. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and how small teams or entrepreneurs can start using this tech today. Let's get into it. So first, what is FinRobot? At its core, FinRobot is an AI native system that uses what researchers call generative business process AI agents, GBPAs. Basically smart AI agents that can plan, reason, and act on business tasks, not just give you answers. These agents break down complex financial goals into steps, coordinate with subagents, and call tools or APIs to execute tasks end-to-end. This isn't just theoretical. The researchers showed real case studies where FinRobot handles things like wire transfers and employee reimbursements with measurable results. There's also an open-source FinRobot platform on GitHub you can explore. It offers examples and patterns for building AI agent workflows for finance. So in simple words, instead of manual spreadsheets or canned scripts, FinRobot uses smart AI agents that think and act like teammates inside your finance stack. Let's break down how FinRobot actually works without the nerdy jargon. 1. Agent layer, the GBPA brain. Each GBPA is goal-oriented, like prepare next quarter's budget or reconcile invoices. It takes your goal, splits it into steps, and sends subtasks to specialist agents. 2. LLM and reasoning layer, the thinker. This layer uses large language models to understand requests, interpret policies, and reason about what needs to happen next. Think of it like a strategist that reads contracts, policies, or free text instructions. 3. LLM ops and data ops, the keeper of knowledge. This part manages data, secure access to financial systems, and memory so agents can remember past actions, rules, and exceptions. 4. Tooling and integration, the hands that execute. Agents connect to ERP systems, accounting tools, bank feeds, etc., so they can pull data or push actions like journal entries or approvals put together. This architecture lets AI plan, reason, and act inside your finance workflows instead of just generating static outputs. Let's make this real with a practical example. Budget planning. Step A, data ingestion. The agent pulls last quarter's actuals, open purchase orders, and current forecasts directly from your ERP. Step B, scenario analysis. It generates multiple budget scenarios, like conservative, baseline, and aggressive, and explains the assumptions in human-readable language. Step C, collaboration. Drafts go out for review to your team. Feedback comes back, and the agent adjusts automatically. Step D, finalize and post. Once approved, it prepares entries and updates the ERP, storing everything with an audit trail for compliance. This fetch, reason, review, act, record loop is what separates FinRobot from simple reporting tools. Now 2 other real works. Lowe's. 1. Financial reporting. Agents pull general ledger data and subledgers, draft narrative insights, perform variance checks, and produce reconciliations, all with traceable reasoning so auditors can FO. Low. 2. Employee reimbursements. Instead of manually checking receipts, the agent uses OCR to extract info, matches expenses against policy rules, auto-approves compliant ones, and escalate exceptions with recommendations for human reviewers, which speeds payouts and cuts errors. What kind of gains are we talking about? Up to 40% faster processing. FinRobot automates and parallelizes steps. Up to 94% fewer errors, thanks to consistent extraction, rule enforcement, and semantic reasoning. Better compliance. Agents embed risk checks and audit trails right into workflows. Those are the kind of numbers CFOs dream about, but they're real results from case studies in the research. Okay, you might be thinking, that sounds awesome, but I'm just one person or a small team. The good news? You can still use this. Step A, pick high-impact processes. Start with things that are repetitive and document-heavy. Invoice intake, reimbursements, vendor onboarding. Step B, build a minimal agent. You don't need a futuristic AI lab. Start with an agent that can read docs, OCR, extract key info, apply rules, take action, or route exceptions. Step C, use humans for exceptions. Keep people in the loop for risky decisions, where accountability matters most. Step D, security and governance. Protect your data, encrypt pipelines, and log everything. Compliance is non-negotiable. Step E, measure and improve. Track cycle times, errors, and exception rates. That's how you show ROI quickly. If you want to go further, you could even productize these automations and offer them as a service to other small businesses. There's real demand for it. Before you jump in, a couple cautions. AI hallucinations. Always double-check actions at post-financial transactions. Use deterministic checks. Regulatory and governance risk. Autonomous finance decisions must have clear audit trails and human controls. Don't skip that. Good architecture is baked in human oversight and governance from day one. To wrap up, FinRobot represents a huge step forward in bringing true AI automation into finance and ERP, from budgeting to reporting and reimbursements, with real benefits in speed, accuracy, and compliance. And hey, smash that like and subscribe button if you want more deep dives like this.